Hello everyone. In one of our previous lessons, I have shown you how to divide numbers by connecting the dots. But someone asked, what if the divisor is not a factor of the dividend? This is to say, what if there is a remainder? For instance, if you take 5, you divide by 2, we must surely get a remainder of 1. So in that situation, I'm going to show you how to carry out the same process but with a remainder. Let's start with the first one here, which I believe has no remainder. We have 1722. 1 will be represented by a single dot, but 7 will be represented by 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have 2 and 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then the divisor 1, 4 will serve as a connection pattern. We're going to take 1 dot and connect it to 4 dots from left to right. So we have 1 dot here. We're going to select 4 dots here and link them together. 4 dots to 1 dot. You select, since there is no any other dot here, you have to go to the next column. You pick a dot and connect it or link it to 4 dots here. But we have only 2 dots here. But one thing you should always remember about arrangement of numbers, unit, tens, hundred, and so on. A number here, one single number like 1, is equivalent to 10 in the unit parts. So if we should strike 1 dot here and bring it here, it will serve as 10 dots. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 dots. I have struck 1 here. So I take 1 and link it to 4 here. These are 4 dots to 1 dot. Repeat the same process. Take a dot here, link it to 4 dots here. No more dots here, move to the next one. 1 dot to 4 dots. I'm going to repeat the same process. You strike this one and connect 10 extra dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1 dot to 4 dots. These are 4 dots. 1 dot. 4 dots. 1 dot. 4 dots. 1 dot. We are done. Now we count the number of connections. Starting from the left. We have 1 connection here, right? Move to the next column. We have a connection here, but this connection is from the previous dot. Therefore, we are not going to count it. But we have 2 other new connections. Move to the next one. Don't count this one because it is from this. Don't count this one because it is from the previous connection. But we have 1, 2, 3 new connections. So you can see that all these connections are from these 3, so we're not going to count them. Therefore, if you divide 1722 by 14, you shall obtain 1, 2, 3, and we are done. Now, let's see how we can divide numbers with remainders. We have 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, and 1. 2, 3, 1. We are going to divide by what? 22. 2 dots to 2 dots, right? 2 dots to 2 dots. Connect them together. If you come here, we do not have up to 2 dots. So what do? Just take it, bring it here. It will serve as a remainder. Remember, we're going to arrange 10 dots here, equivalent to this. So strike this one and bring it here. Let's assume this box contains 10 dots. So what do we have? We have 1 connection here, right? What about this? You know, this one is from this previous connection, but we have taken away this one, so we consider this as no connection, 0 connection. But with a remainder of what? We have 1 dot, we have 10 dots, making 11 dots. Remainder of 11 out of what you are dividing by? 22. And you know that 11 over 22 is the same thing as 1 over 2. Finally, your answer is what? 10 whole number, 1 divided by 2, or 10 10.5 because 10.5 is the same thing as 10.5. So if you have really understood this, I want you to try this.